Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Let your body relax. Let your shoulders drop. Let your mind soften. Another deep breath in and exhale any tension you've been holding. Now gently close your eyes and bring your awareness to this moment. This moment is enough. You are safe. You are here. Now begin to connect with your breath. Slow, natural, effortless. And as you breathe, allow a soft feeling of gratitude to enter your heart. Not forced, just a gentle opening. Now repeat silently or softly after me. I am grateful for this moment. I am grateful for this moment. I am grateful for my breath. I am grateful for my breath. I am grateful for my life. I am grateful for my life. I welcome all the blessings that are following into my life. I trust that everything is working in my favor. I am open to receiving abundance. Thank you for everything I have. Thank you for everything that is coming. Thank you for everything I don't yet understand. Feel it, not just say it. Let gratitude expand inside your chest like a warm light, growing, softening, healing, I am a lion with peace. I am a lion with love. I am a lion with abundance. I am a lion with peace. I am a lion with love. I am a lion with abundance. The more I appreciate it, the more I receive. Life supports me. The universe is always guiding me. Now imagine your life filled with the things you desire. Peace, love, success, freedom, see it clearly, feel it deeply, and say, I am ready. I receive with an open heart. I am worthy of all good things. I am worthy of all good things. Let this feeling stay in your body. Let gratitude become your natural state. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Gently bring your awareness back to your body. Move your fingers, your shoulders, and when you're ready, open your eyes. If you feel this shift, you're already changing your life. And if you'd like to support this journey, you can do it in the way that feels right for you.